Hello everyone, I'm Dana here. Welcome to my channel Home Cooking with Dana. Today I am going to share a delicious chicken fried rice with you guys. So let's get started.
Here are the ingredients that we need for our chicken fried rice. You can also check the ingredients down on the description box. Heat the pan and add 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, add chopped garlic. Let the garlic cook for about a minute. Then add the cooked and shredded chicken. Bring the heat up and let the chicken fry until it is golden brown. It is important to mix this well to avoid the burning on one side. Once the chicken is golden and crispier, take out and set aside. Our chicken is ready now. Drizzle in another tablespoon of oil and add the onions. Let the onion caramelize and then add 2 beaten eggs. Mix them well and season the egg. Transfer the egg mixture to another bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of oil and add thawed corn. Cook the corn about 5 minutes on high heat. Next, add chopped carrots and mix them well. Add 1 cup of cabbage and season them with salt and pepper to your taste. Our vegetable mixture is coming along. Once the vegetables are cooked through, add spring onions. I do like to keep some extra for garnishing as well. We don't want to overcook our spring onions, so in goes our cooked basmati rice. Add 2 tablespoons of sweet soy sauce or add it to your taste. Mix well to incorporate everything. Lastly, add our cooked egg and fried chicken. Mix them well. Our chicken fried rice is ready now. This is a great recipe for the whole family. I have garnished this with spring onion and sesame seeds. Enjoy! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. See you next time.